Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting. I'm so excited because we are off to I'm in Manchester meeting all the Gymshark family for Lift Manchester. So their pop-up event is in Manchester this year. It's at Victoria Warehouse. I'm so excited. Love Victoria Warehouse. It's a really good venue. Quickly show my outfit because today, team, we're going to Jump Ninja, but I think that's what it's called. I've just got the Vital Seamless in the blue, which is my favourite. But basically, team, 2 days ago, I had a mole removed. FYI, it's so important to get your moles checked, just because, you know, like you go to the doctor and get your health checked. If you're a moley person, go and get your moles checked. It doesn't harm anyone. And it turned out that I needed a mole removing. So you're probably seen it on my pictures. It's the one that was like really quite large down my hair, and I had it taken out. Really painful with the local anaesthetic, and then it was off. But I've got 4 quite big stitches on the top of my bum. So you can imagine the week of the Gymshark event, I didn't realise that I was going to need stitched. I thought it was like the tiniest thing ever, and I was like, oh, it's fine. Oh my god, like my left bum top cheek, wow, that is sore. So I'll see how I get on with like training and stuff. But also, can we see the nails? Look at that. Look at that. Little Gymshark logo. How cute is that? Anyway, I'm going to book my Uber and head to the hotel. This is so exciting. Look at all our kit. So these are the outfits that I have chosen for the event, like the different days and stuff. This is so cute. I love that we lift the city. And then, oh, look at them all.
Oh my god, I like sunburn. Oh my god, I like sunburn. Read it. We are off to Jump Ninja Warrior. No, I actually think it is called Ninja Warrior, and I keep calling it Jump Ninja, and I don't know why, because I think that's wrong. Really exciting. We're still waiting for a few more people as well that aren't actually, I don't know if they're coming, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to take you on the course with us. So she comes with the goods, she brings the snacks. Hashtag fitness. Hi! I haven't even met you yet, I'm Lucy. I'm Brittany, nice to meet you.
Camera here. It's great for internal stabilization.
Are you struggling?
What's that?
Are you struggling?
Watch this. Watch this though. I'm one of the...
That was quite skillful. That was quite skillful.
Go on, Luke. Easy.
You just can't do it.
What stuff?
Grab it. You got it.
This looks so hard.
This one's really fun. I did this before. That's like the only bit of the course I can do. Come off the wall. How's that? I feel like my heart rate is very high. You can do it. Try it together and then it will. Oh. Yeah. A little bit of jump. Oh. Yes! Woo! What is happening? Oh, thank you. Go on, Nate. Just casually up. Wow, okay. Oh my god. That was interesting. That was really hard. Like that Ninja Warrior course, it was like, I'll be quite agile. Wasn't agile at all. But tonight we're going for dinner at Gusto, which I'm really excited for because I'm so hungry. I haven't really eaten today. I've had like a bagel this morning before I left, and then some sushi, and then this bar thing that was in our room. Shall I just show you my outfit? I'm probably not going to take you to dinner tonight, you know. I feel like I might not take you to dinner. So I've gone for like a very cash vibe. So I just got my Balenciagas on, a little dress which was from Pretty Little Thing. And then just my sister's mummy bag because it matches my shoes. So this is the outfit choice. And a jacket. But I'm going to love you and leave you. And tomorrow morning, basically, we're meant to have a Barry's bootcamp class. And with my stitches, you're obviously not meant to get them that wet or infected with like sweat. So, and I've done a Barry's bootcamp class before, by the way, and it was like not the worst thing because I felt really good, but it was so hard and I sweated so much. So I'm going to train with Becca, I think, instead, just to be on the safe side. and then go along after. And then we're going to 20 stories, which I'm so excited for because the girls obviously haven't been to 20 stories before, so I'm going to take them and it's really exciting. But I love you, leave you. Good morning. Today, well actually this morning, this is why I sound a bit like a man because it's quite early. It's about 6:30, 7. I'm going to walk to Starbucks because the Starbucks just really near Piccadilly. And I'm going to get my usual Americano, hot oat milk. This is the new lightweight seamless. I love it. I love it. It's very lightweight for start, like the name states, but it's very figure hugging. And also in the room, we've got these sunglasses. How sick are these? These are like Quay Australia. I'm going to take it to the gym with me then. I'm going to do a training session. It's just going to be fun. I shall see you at the gym. Let's see the girl.
It has like a hand.
Look at that. How could you do? Look at that. You couldn't do upper body with that.
No.
Okay, so today is the day of the pop-up and I'm literally so excited to meet people. I've got a seminar today, like a weight Q&A, and then tomorrow I've got one about mental health, which I think I'm more nervous for that one, but I'm not as nervous for this one because this one's just kind of a Q&A. But I'm literally so excited because it's Manchester, because it's a Victoria Warehouse, and because I get to meet loads of amazing people. But all I'm going to do throughout the day is just like vroom, with the camera, just like use the camera throughout the day so you can see like everything to do with the pop-up, loads of other Gymshark athletes, and I'm going to take you with me. Oh, there's a lot of people.
I'm very excited. I'm literally so excited. You can get the big one on the camera then.
Very beautiful.
Hello, beautiful.
Oh, how cute is it? Doesn't this look so cool?
That's cool on there as well, no?
So this will be like you into the printing t-shirt route.
Oh, we've got a tour, guys.
If you follow me guys, this is just like a open bar.
Wow.
Sick.
Oh, is that where we do the seminars?
Yeah. And you have the screen behind you.
It's cold in here. Oh, that's cool. Gymshark. Oh, that's so close to my face!
On a big screen as well.
But that is a lens! This is a lens!
We're twinning right now. We're twinning right now. Orange on orange.
Go on, Steve. On camera. That was, wow, it's still going.
She says, wow, he's still good.
Oh, that's hot.
That is really hot.
Yeah. Steve, do you want to
Go around that.
Sound we do want you to get involved. I'm going to give you a money bag as well if you ask the first question.
We've been involved in this project and we're really excited to speak to a lot of the issues that are quite topical right now. So mental health, gym and physique body related anxiety, and how that also plays out in relation to food, diet and health.
I've always had kind of mental health. Everyone has mental health, but I'm a very big believer in mental wellness, because you've got that whole idea of, 30 minutes exercise a day, let's look after our physical health, but then you have mental health, and I don't think people really do anything about it until something happens. But I think it's about always being reactive to your mental health as well as your physical health. Like I said, mine's slightly different because I've gone through athlete to non-athlete to athlete again. So that's my transition when I was 10 years old. When I was 12, that's when I started morning sessions. But it was the ages 14 to 18 where I was really good. That's where I swam for GB. But it was also at the age of 14 where everything already started getting intense. So, for example, we were weighed before and after every session to see if we were dehydrated. From the age of 14, I had body fats done every 3 weeks, and I've always had kind of a smaller frame anyway, and I was a little bit underweight when I swam, so when we did the body fats, mine was always really low. I was quite self-conscious of it, because when you're a girl it's meant to be the same as your weight, and mine was 30 below. One of the girls I remember, she said to me, she was like, oh, you're just anorexic. And I know they have certain things that always stick in your head. And that was probably about 3 months before I stopped swimming. So I stopped when I was 18 and I'm 22 now. And when you leave a bubble, a sport bubble that you've done your whole life, you literally don't do anything else. I swam 10 times a week for 4 years. I loved it. I didn't mean I hated it. I really did love it. It was very eye-opening. I travelled the world. But then straight away I moved to Manchester because I went to uni. And I was instantly left to my own devices with nutrition, which I was shocked by, because I didn't realise how much help I'd had in those 4 years. Eat this, don't. Ours was very good food, bad food. You cannot eat anything bad. You can only eat good things. So with sports nutrition, to that extent, it's very, very aggressive from a young age. So I was so head set on nutrition. And then I moved to uni, so I've not even got my mum to help me anymore and things, so it's very new. Moved to uni, and my sister was kind of what do you want to do? And I was like, oh, I might compete in bodybuilding, it sounds really fun. And she was like, yeah, you'd be so good, you're already quite muscly, you'd be really good, you'd be winning all this. And I was like, oh, I'm so excited. So those 3, 2 months after, that's what I had in my head, that's why I carried on just going to the gym. But I didn't have a clue I was doing nutrition. So when I was a swimmer, because we were doing 10 sessions a week, which were 2 hours plus gym for 3 hours a day, I could eat a lot of food. I'm talking 3,000 calories when I was 16 and it didn't touch me. But then you obviously move away from that, and if I continue to eat that, it would obviously go the other way. So I was like, oh, maybe I just shouldn't eat at all really. So I drastically cut calories, so very, very disorderly eating. For 2 years I had very, very bad disorderly eating, and I'd go through stages where I'd binge eat and then I wouldn't eat for 4 days, and it was a constant cycle. But I would also train at least 2 or 3 times a day still, because I couldn't get out of the mindset of being an athlete to being a human. Do you know what I mean? It's very, very different. So the whole transition was very difficult for me, and I had a phobia of putting weight on. Even though everyone said I was very, very skinny or very, very small, I had such a fear. And I think that's in society of, don't eat carbs, they're bad for you, and don't eat this, don't eat that, you'll put fat on, you'll put weight on. And I was very, very uneducated, I'm not gonna lie, I had no idea, and I believed all this. I'd see it on social media, there was a lot of pressure. But it was 2 years ago that I started the Instagram page. I was like, maybe if I do something that I can keep accountable to, it'll make me feel better. And that's how I stayed accountable, and that's when I started learning things about nutrition, about myself. And then within those 2 or 3 years, I've put on 25 pounds and never been happier.